Hello, I am Dr Sourabh Patwardhan from Nandadeep Eye Hospital and FECO Training Center, Sangli, India. In this video, I will be demonstrating intravitreal injection which can be given with FECO emulsification procedure. Most common intravitreal injections that are used are anti-VEGF and steroids in the form of triamcinolone, and there are various indications for giving these injections like pre-existing pathology like CNVM, diabetic macular edema, edema due to secondary to inflammation, vein occlusion related edema, and many more. Now there are two ways to deal with it when there is a existing cataract as well, which is significant. So we can give either intravitreal injection prior to the cataract removal. The advantage is that we will be having prior understanding of effect of the treatment. Disadvantage is that the patient has to have more number of visits, or we can also give intravitreal injection combined with the cataract removal procedure. Advantage is that there are reduced patient visits. Also topical steroids are not needed, particularly if triamcinolone is used. But disadvantage can be that cataract surgery itself might have alteration of effects of intravitreal drug. So we have to always balance between the two and decide about the procedure. Now what is the best way to inject the intravitreal injection when we are doing it along with the phaco procedure? So best timing is when you have already implanted the IOL and there is a OVD which is already filling the anterior chamber, which avoids collapse of the anterior chamber when the intravitreal is given. Intravitreal is given at 3.5 mm from the limbus. Retract the conjunctiva a little bit. Prime the 30 gauge needle with the intravitreal injection so as to avoid any air bubble injection which may give rise to floater or bubble inside. Once you are ready, then you can direct the needle towards the center of the globe, visualize the tip and then inject. Once this is done, you can do the visco removal by using eye probe, and that's the end of the procedure. It's a very simple technique to perform and patients are quite comfortable during this. Similar way we can also give intravitreal triamcinolone. You can see the needle here and the triamcinolone injection being given, and in these cases you always inform the patient about the floaters which will be persisting afterwards, and avoid giving any topical steroids in this patient because they don't need it. For more such videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also go to the website phacotraining.org.in for more information. Thank you.